Are you ready for another exciting class? Our blueberry and lemon swan cake will undoubtedly blow your mind and taste buds. Four layers of tender, moist yellow cake juxtaposed with tangy lemon curd and plump blueberry compote. Frosted with an exquisite Italian buttercream and adorned with rustic dehydrated lemon slices and beautiful three-dimensional meringue swans. This cake is dressed to impress. A very high-end pièce de résistance that is both stunningly beautiful and insanely delicious. Learn how to make our blueberry and lemon swan cake exclusively at the Bailiwick Academy.